Here are some dog facts you may not have known. 1. Their noses are at least 40 times more sensitive than ours. This is because the part of their brain that is allocated to processing smell is roughly 40 times larger than that of humans. They also have about 300 million smell receptors in their nose, whereas humans only have about 5 million smell receptors. 2. Dogs only sweat from their paws and have to cool down by panting. This is because dogs are covered in fur, so sweat would fail to evaporate. Thirdly, dogs can sniff and breathe at the same time. This is necessary because dogs need their sense of smell to find food and to detect potential danger in friends. Fourthly, dogs can only see shades of gray, brown, yellow, and blue. This is due to the fact that they only have 2 eye cones, where humans have 3. Eye cones are the main color receptors or receivers in our eyes. Here are some bird facts you may not have known. There are over 10,000 bird species in the world. Birds have hollow bones which enables them to fly. There are also air sacs in the hollow bones which helps the birds regulate their body temperature. 90% of birds are monogamous. They mate for life. This is to secure the survival of their young and their species. The young are extremely vulnerable and require the attention of both parents to feed and to provide shelter and safety. The largest bird on Earth is the ostrich. It can grow to be 2.7 meters tall and can weigh about 136 kg. They are a flightless bird and is native to Africa. On the other side of the scales, we have the smallest bird named the bee hummingbird, weighing in at 1.9 to 2.6 grams and around 5.5 centimeters long. Their wings, unlike the ostrich, flaps at 80 times per second. During winter, many birds require to migrate for survival purposes, and did you know the hummingbird is the smallest migrating bird and travels alone for up to 500 miles at a time? If you found this interesting and would like to receive more interesting videos like this, then kindly like and subscribe.
Three cat facts you may not have known. 1. The oldest cat ever lived to 38 years and 3 days. She was a cream puff mixed domestic tabby cat. Yes, that was a mouthful. To her glory, she was recorded in the Guinness World Records, 2010 edition. 2. The set of whiskers on a cat's muzzle consists typically of 24 whiskers. 12 on each side and evenly distributed. They are the width of the cat's body, and their purpose is to assist the animal to gauge the width of narrow spaces and to navigate its environment. Whiskers remain the same length, regardless if the animal puts on a few pounds or not, and they reach their full length between 6 weeks and 3 months. And thirdly, they share 95.6% of their genetic makeup with the tiger because 10.8 million years ago they shared a common ancestor, a panther-like predator.
3 horse facts you may not have known. 1. They cannot breathe through their mouth. This is because a horse's soft palate prevents air from flowing from the mouth to the lungs. 2. They can only see yellow and blue, but not red. This is because they have dichromatic vision, which means they only have 2 types of cones in their retinas. And third, foals can run within a few hours of birth because they are prey in the wild. Being vulnerable, they need to be able to escape from predators. If you would like to receive more general knowledge videos, then please like and subscribe. They are short, sweet, and to the point videos.